We've seen a wagtail. What else have we seen? A wagtail, chaffinch, and a wren so far. We've seen, we've heard, and a pigeon. Oh, there's plenty of pigeons. Oh, there's a rainbow up above there. Look, can you see that?
I only see the blinding sun.
Where am I looking?
Just straight ahead.
Oh yeah, like blue.
Hear that? That's the chaffinch, according to my app. I'm going to see if I can actually see it in the tree. But I can't actually. I've never seen it. Sounds like it's that kind of side of things. Right, I just saw it, but because I was so excited I saw it, I exclaimed, "Oh my god!" And then it flew to another bit, which now I can't see it again. I've just seen this tree here. It's got like loads of decorations on it. I'm just going to investigate. Looks like a fairy tree. It's got like a painted doorway here. Ooh. That's pretty cool. What do you think of it, Cookie? Cookie's impressed with it. Find the stingers.